Well, here's my temporary paint booth. It ought to work. It don't have to be a concourse paint job anyway. It's not going to be, so hopefully it'll keep most of the bugs and gnats and stuff out. I'll spray it down good before I get started and wet everything on the floor. I've got canvas on the bottom, and it's actually underneath my carport, but the carport above is not waterproof. There is some drips and stuff, so I didn't want to take any chance, and it's made it easier anyway. So anyway, I'm going to start prepping, get it sealed up. I do have masks. I got an organic cartridge mask, so I'll spray it here in a little bit. Well, I got the second coat of clear on, and I'm waiting for it to tack up a little bit. You can see over in that corner, I think you can see it. I've got the dehumidifier. It's been running about 50% humidity in there with that running, so that's been doing good. Well, let's take a look at it. It's got some orange peel, but this is a lacquer paint, so it has to be buffed to get to the final shine and all. It's hard to tell if the color is supposed to have been color matched. I don't know. It's hard to say if it's going to be a good match or not. Definitely got a little texture to it. Hopefully it'll buff out. But we'll see.